Hello everyone, this is Hemalata, Department of Agriculture Engineering, Assistant Professor. Today we are going to see about the solar stills. Under the subject solar and wind energy, we are seeing a lot of topics. Today we are going to say about the lecture on solar stills. Solar stills, or it is a device which to desalinate impure water like brackish water or saline water. It is a simple device to get potable or fresh distilled water from the impure water using solar energy as a fuel. For its various applications in domestic, industrial and academic sectors. One of the major problem in many parts of the world is the scarcity of the fresh water. To make available resources are getting polluted due to discharge of industrial effluents and sewage in large quantities. In this area, solar energy is used by implementing the solar still technology to get the pure water. It consists of a shallow triangular basin made up of the fiber reinforced plastic. Bottom of the basin is painted black so as to absorb the solar heat effectively. Top of the basin is covered with a transparent glass tilt fitted to so that maximum solar radiation can be transmitted into the still. Then edges of the glass or shield with the basin using tar tape so that the entire basin becomes airtight. Entire assembly is placed on a structure made up of the mild steel angle. Outlet is connected with a storage container and a provision has been made to fill water in the still basin. A window is provided in the basin to clean the basin from inside. Water is charged into the basin in a thin layer, and it is used to mainly use solar energy to desalinate and purify the water, and they operate based on the principle of evaporation and condensation to provide a simple and efficient method for obtaining fresh water from saline or contaminated sources using renewable solar energy. It is useful in arid regions, emergency situations, and remote areas with limited access to clean water. The evaporation principle of operation is evaporation, condensation, and collection. Solar radiation heats the water in the still, causing it to evaporate. Condensation: the evaporated water vapor rises and condenses on a cooler surface, then collects as a liquid water. Collection: the condensed water is collected and can be used as a potable water. Collector basin is material often made from materials like glass, plastic, or metal that allow sunlight to pass through the heat the water. Surface is typically black or dark color to absorb the maximum solar heat. And cover is transparent material such as glass or clear plastic which allow sunlight to enter while preventing the heat from escaping. Then design is angled or sloped to direct condensed water to the collection point, and the material is often made up of materials that facilitate easy drainage of the collected water. Types of solar still, that is single slope solar still, double slope and multiple effect. Single slope is features a slanted cover that directs condensation to a single collection point. The major advantages is simple design and easy to construct. Then double slope solar still is a type of still similar to single slope, uses sunlight to purify water. The major difference is it has a two slope as a roof with the two sloped surfaces which improves the condensation efficiency. Advantages is better performance compared to the single slope stills in some condition. Then multiple effect which consisting of the series of the basins um, incorporate multiple stages or chambers to enhance the efficiency. Unlike traditional solar still which have a single evaporation condensation cycle, multiple effect solar stills uses a series of chambers. Then basin type is incorporates a basin to hold water and often includes additional features like insulation or multiple chambers. Advanced solar cell design a multi-effect. I have already seen it is a combined solar cell with other purification technologies. Advantages or the utilize the solar energy which is abundant and sustainable, simple technology, easily to construct and operate, low operating cost, requires minimal maintenance, no additional energy input. Disadvantages is low production rate, weather dependent, and space requirement. Typically produces a small amount of water compared to other methods. Efficiency can be affected by cloudy days or insufficient sunlight. Space required, adequate space for optimal solar exposure. Emergency water supply, rural and remote areas and agricultural use, we can go for the solar still. On the whole, solar still provide a practical and sustainable method for purifying water using solar energy. Their some simplicity and low operating cost make them suitable for various applications, though they may be limited by production capacity and environmental conditions. Thank you.